you're given the following graph. Part A says find f of g of 1. And I always rewrite that in this format. So you work inside out. First find g of 1. Go to your graph called g and look at what the y value is when x is 1. So when x is 1, this is where x is 1, the y value is 2. So that's how I got 2. Now find f of 2. Go to your graph labeled f, and what is the y value when x is 2? X is 2 here, the y value is negative 2. That's answered number A. Number B, g of f of 0. Rewrite it in this form. Start on the inside and work your way out. F of 0. Go to your graph called F, which is your blue one, and when x is 0, you're right here, the y value is negative 2. Now find g of negative 2. So here's negative 2. What's the value? G of negative 2. When it's negative 2, on the red graph, the y value is negative 4. Part C, g of 0. Rewrite it in this form. G of 0. What is g of 0? G of 0 is 0, because when x is 0, y is 0. And then do that again, you get 0. And I'm going to do one more, because all these work the same. Hopefully 4 examples will be enough. If not, contact me. F of 2. Rewrite it. Find f of 2. Well, here's 2. The y value is negative 2. And then what's f of negative 2? Negative 2 is here. And what's the y value? It's way down here at negative 10. Hope that helps.